What's up guys, welcome back to the weekly analysis video. In this video we are going to analyze top 5 stock for this week. This stock is for swing trade, and if you're a swing trader, this video is for you. Before that, if you're new to this channel, please subscribe and hit like and click that bell icon so you don't miss any videos. So let's start the video without wasting the time.
Okay guys, welcome back again. The first stock is Infosys. So if you see Infosys in weekly time frame, it's a trending like anything from almost from here to here. Almost it went 257 percentage within 658 days, almost 2 years. So let me go to daily time frame, what I can see in the daily time frame. So now right now the stock is in kind of sideway. So almost it is from almost 167 days it's in consolidation mode. So what I can see in this particular stock is I can see a very good resistance at the top. So let me connect. So let me draw correctly. So I can see this resistance at the top, and at the bottom I can see a good support from here to here. So at the top we have almost 1 2 3 4 4 resistance. At the bottom we have 1 2 3 4 5 support. So if you look at here, whenever the stock comes to this particular place, the buyers are coming and pushing the market up. So again the stock is in this particular place. So do not enter right now here. Just wait, let it come to this price, this particular support. So consider that if the price come to this particular support, if we entered somewhere here, we can keep the stop loss below this trend line, and we can keep the target till this resistance, this trend line. So the risk to reward will be almost 1:5. Our risk is very minimal in this particular stock. So as I tell every time, if our risk is very minimal, we can go for that trade, because if we lose in this particular trade, if our stop loss hits in this particular trade, we will lose only 1%. What is our target? If our target hits 5, if we lose 1 rupee, if our target hits, we gain 5 rupees. So 1:5. So this is a very good setup as per me. So you just keep this stock on your watch list. If you see any buying momentum, any buying bullish candle, you know what to do. So you just keep this stock in a watch list. So if you see any buying momentum, any bullish candle, so you can take a trade, and don't forget to keep the stop loss. Okay, the next stock is Dr. Reddy. Let me go to weekly time frame. So in the weekly time frame, if you see this stock, it was trending from here to here, almost 170% within 854, almost more than 2.5 years. So after that, it's in consolidation mode, it's in sideway. So if you go to daily time frame, what I can see in the daily time frame is I can see a good resistance at the top, and at the bottom I can see a good support. So let me connect this. So if you see very good channel pattern, we have at the top 1 2 3 resistance, at the bottom we have 1 2 3 supports. So whenever the stock come to this particular trend line, that support, it will bounce back. If you see here, it went back. When it came here, it went around 26%. Again it retraced 18 or 19 20%. Again it went from here to here 32%. Right now it's in retracing almost 24%. So if you see this, we have very very minimal risk, and we have a very good opportunity. If we enter somewhere here, we can keep the very stop loss below this previous swing low, and we can aim at least our first target is this. And if you are ready to hold, you can keep the target till here. Then if you're not ready to hold, once your target hits till here, you can trail the stop loss and try to hold till here, because as I told you, whenever the stock moves 20-22%, again it will come back 20% down. The same picture here also. At least we can expect from here to here at least 17 to at least 20% we can expect. So you just keep this stock in your radar, and if you see any bullish momentum, you can go ahead and enter, and on this particular trade we have very minimal risk. So the next stock is Power Finance Corp. What I can see in Power Finance Corp is in daily time frame I can see a good resistance at the top, two resistance at the top, and at the bottom I can see a support, almost 1 2 3 4 support. So if you see this particular stock, whenever the stock comes to this particular place, it will bounce back. So again, the stock exactly near the trend line at the support. So here we have, first time when it came, it went up almost from here to here 5%. Again it came to retest, again it went around 10%. It came down almost 6%. So we have very good opportunity over here also, and also very minimal risk. If you entered somewhere here, I mean, after, don't enter right now, don't enter on Monday, you just wait for the confirmation, you just wait for the bullish candle, any bullish pin bar or bullish engulfing. So if you see any that kind of candles somewhere here, if you enter, consider that if you entered somewhere here, you can keep the stop loss below the previous swing low, and you can aim at least till here. The first target is this, exactly, 1 second, the first target is this. The second target you can aim, if you are ready to hold, you can aim till the trend line, the resistance. So the second target is, maybe if you think it's huge, I mean, if you are not ready to hold, at least you can hold till here. The risk to reward ratio on this particular stock is 1:3, and we have a very less minimal risk on this trade. So you just keep this stock on your radar, and if you see any buying momentum, any buying opportunity, you can go ahead and buy with a less quantity, and don't forget to keep the stop loss. Okay, the next stock is SDFC. So what I can see in SDFC is, in daily time frame I can see a very good resistance. At the top we have almost 1 2 3 resistance. At the bottom we have this support, almost 1 2 3 supports. So whenever the stock comes to this particular place, the stock is moving up. So let me take from here to here, it moved around 23%. So it retraced, it came down almost 15%. So we have a very good opportunity here also. If you see this previous swing low, we have buyers are buying whenever the stock touches this support level. So but from 2 days we can see a very good strong bearish candle. So you just keep this stock on your radar, do not enter. So if you see any buying momentum, any buying any bullish candles or any buying momentum, or somewhere here if you see any candle, good candle, very good green candle, so if you entered somewhere here, you can keep the stop loss below this swing low, and you can aim at least till here first target and second target. Sorry, if second target, if you are ready to hold, you can aim till here, till the resistance. So the risk to reward ratio on this particular trade is 1:5. Our risk is very minimal on this stock also. So you just keep this stock on your radar, and let's see what happens on the Monday. And do not enter on Monday, because from 2 days we can see a very good strong bearish candle from here 1 and 2, and don't wait for it. If you see any good this kind of bullish pin bar and all, you can go ahead and take the trade. And next stock is Manappuram Finance. Let me see what I can see in the Manappuram Finance. So I can see Manappuram Finance in the weekly time frame, it's almost it's consolidating, it's in sideways from almost what 595 days, almost more than a year. Let me go to daily time frame. So what I can see in daily time frame is, I can see a very good expanded channel pattern from here to here. 1 2 3 3 resistance at the top. At the bottom we have this support, 1 2 3 4 4 support. So whenever the stock comes to this particular place, this bouncing back, so now exactly the stock is in this support level. So we have a very good opportunity, we have a very good opportunity on this particular trade. So consider that, do not enter right now because it's already went up from almost here to here, almost what 6%. So just wait, let it come, at least nearby. So just wait, let it come nearby, trend line, because if you enter somewhere here, our stop loss is little bit huge. So we don't want, we don't want that kind of setup. So what I'm saying is, you just keep this stock on your radar. When the stock comes to at least somewhere here, you can enter and you can keep the stop loss below this trend line, and you can aim till this resistance. You have around 1:10 risk to reward ratio on this particular setup. So the risk to reward is very favorable. So you just keep this stock on your radar. If you see any bullish momentum or any buying opportunity, you can go ahead and buy. Okay, the next is, okay, that's it, I guess, pretty much it. That's it for the day, guys. One more important thing is, I'm not a financial advisor and this is not a call. This is only for educational purpose. Yeah, that's it for the day, I guess. If you like the content, please subscribe and hit like and click that bell icon so you don't miss any videos. And if you want to, you can share these videos with your friends, whoever in the stock market. And thank you for watching this video with the patience. Thank you very much. See you soon, guys.